Here's a step-by-step guide to using Wondershare DemoCreator to make courses and tutorial videos from recording to editing and exporting your final lesson. DemoCreator combines screen recording plus video editing plus interactive features in one tool, making it great for instructional content, training videos, tutorials, and online lessons. 1. Start a new project. 1. Install and launch DemoCreator downloaded from the official site. 2. Choose a recording mode, screen recording to capture your screen and voice for software walkthroughs. Presentation/video presentation great for slides with narration. Webcam or virtual avatar include your face or a digital avatar in the course. Record your content. Screen and audio capture, select area of screen or full screen to record. Choose your mic and system audio levels. Hit record to start, then stop when you're done. Wondershare DemoCreator 2, best practices for tutorial recording, test your mic and screen area before full recording. Use captions or a script so your explanations stay clear. Keep segments focused on one topic or skill at a time. Edit your video. Once recording finishes, DemoCreator opens its video editor where you can arrange and trim, split clips to remove mistakes. Rearrange segments on the timeline. Add visual elements, annotations, arrows, text, callouts, to emphasize steps. Titles and captions to label concepts clearly. Cursor effects to highlight clicks and interactions. Enhance audio, adjust mic volume, eliminate background noise, add voiceovers if needed. Sync audio with visuals to keep lessons clear. Other useful edits, add transitions between segments. Use picture-in-picture to show your webcam feed alongside the screen. Include interactive elements or effects to keep your audience engaged. Add extra course features, integrate slides or media, import PowerPoint files, videos, images, or other media into your lesson. Combine slides with narration or live screen captures. Live teaching and annotations, you can deliver live courses and presentations with screen sharing and live whiteboard/annotations. Export and share your course, after editing. 1. Click Export. 2. Choose formats like MP4, MOV, AVI, or MP3. 3. Adjust resolution and bitrate depending on your platform, example YouTube, course LMS. 4. Save locally or upload/share directly on platforms like YouTube if available. Tips for making better tutorial content, structure lessons clearly, start with an intro then break down steps logically. Use annotations generously, they help learners follow along. Keep recordings clean and focused, cut unneeded segments during editing. Add captions or titles to reinforce key lessons. Quick workflow summary. 1. Record your screen/slide/webcam. 2. Edit with annotations, titles, and audio adjustments. 3. Integrate additional content, slides, images. 4. Export and publish your course or tutorial.